This voice is much better. Though I have to say, please take it seriously. I too agree that MLG is dead. It's just that Daniel speaks significantly more clearly than goddamn David. Anyway, welcome back, my pueri, to another episode of Asked and Answered, where I take questions from a mysterious source, one far more sophisticated than even Reddit, and answer it for both the OP and the YouTube community. Today's question is, if p is a prime number greater than 3, how do you prove that p squared minus 1 is divisible by 24? For starters, using the fact that differences of squares can be factorized into the form x plus y and x minus y, let's separate p squared minus 1 into p plus 1 and p minus 1. Odd plus or minus 1 is even, and all primes are odd, with the exception of 2, but we are targeting over 3s anyway, so logically speaking, p plus 1 should be even. Same with p minus 1. Both factors are divisible by 2, making p squared minus 1 divisible by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Time to prove that it also divides by 6, making it divisible by 24. There seems to be a pattern among prime numbers. Every first prime, disregarding 2 and 3, requires to be added to 1 to be divisible by 6, whereas every second needs to have 1 taken away. Why? The series of first ones begins with 5, 1 less than 6, and adds 6 each time, so as to avoid odd numbers divisible by 3 or 9. For the series of second ones, 7 is 1 more than 6, and it also needs to avoid those numbers, for the same reasons. Now that we've proven that either p plus 1 or plus minus 1 can be divisible by 6, we have proven the notion that p squared minus 1 is divisible by 24, given that p is a prime more than 3. Question asked and answered. Before we end the video, the hunt for the mystery site is still alive and going. Find it out before I have no other choice than to directly tell it to you. Here is another hint. It's not Stack Exchange. I hope to see some correct answers in my email inbox. Who doesn't want the privilege of requesting directly and using a superior alternative to Yahoo Answers? After all. Now, to wrap up. Till next time. See ya.